Hello friends, Running Kimono. It is Thursday, July the 23rd, and we are back at Walgreens, everybody's store. And if you are near a store today or picking up a curbside order or you're just moonwalking near the building, which most of us do on Thursdays, I'm going to ask that you go to the cosmetic aisle and look for some L'Oreal and some Neutrogena. The L'Oreal has been spotted in store. The Neutrogena I did see online. So we're going to talk about both of them. One completely free, one 29 cents, which is really cheap. Because if you consider the price of cosmetics now, I think like a mascara or foundation is usually like $15 to $20 for the pharmacy brand stuff, which I don't fully understand. It's like tripled in price in the last couple of years. So we're going to find some cheap cosmetic deals in today's video. Yesterday, which was Wednesday the 22nd, a lot of us got a booster in our digital coupons folder. You'll find this at the very tippy top, so you'd have to load it. I did get a 10 back when I spend 45, so you might want to go in your coupons folder, see what is at the top. These are always a year mileage may vary, meaning what I get might be completely different than your card. But if you're doing the little deals that I'm showing every week or trying to get in there a couple times a month, you probably have the same booster as and I got the 10 back when you spend 45. Also, I know a lot of us, Monday, Tuesday-ish, probably even still ongoing today, the patriotic M&Ms that were like $1.30 or $1.40, there's a fetch rebate that's been going on since the 4th, which is to spend 12 to get back 1,800 points. So if you might have a receipt, photograph your receipt to fetch for these extra points. It's completely what it's about, especially if you bought in volume. I know a couple of you out there told me in the comments that you bought a ton of this. It's just extra points. Photograph your receipts. Okay, so I think about a night ago or so, I was just on the app just looking around, and I did see this Neutrogena lip balm. Seeing that light brown color, it is called Soft Caramel. And for a lot of you that are like, hey, I don't really think that a brown lip tint would look great on my lips, it actually doesn't come out as a color brown. It's like a sheer color. It's really, really pretty on any lip. Neutrogena always does 10 out of 10 for makeup. Anyhow, this friend is on clearance for $3.29. We have a $3 digital coupon. It makes it 29 cents. That's fantastic. I know back in the day you could get from your store to in-store, they would match the price point for one item. I don't know if Walgreens is still doing that with all the changes that they've had, but 29 cents for this, fantastic. If you're doing it curbside, obviously you need to get up to that $10 threshold. But for 29 cents, I would grab this. This item regular price is almost $12.50. So from $12.50 down to 29 cents, it's a pretty easy decision. The next group of cosmetics, a different company that is L'Oreal, between $3.49 to $4.49, you're going to be finding these products, including the True Match Powder Foundation. And there's also a liquid foundation as well. Now, depending what the price point is, you might have to get creative because you have to do this one in store. And you have to meet the threshold of the coupon. You cannot go any less. Also, this L'Oreal Lumi one. And this guy was on clearance, I believe, for $4.49, and then the powder has been $3.49. So if you grab one of each, that should be like $7.98. And if you have the 7 off of 2 coupon, you're paying 98 cents for the 2. And there's a IBOTTA rebate for one of these as well. So just to show you, these are the visuals of the coupon, the 4 off of 1 and the 7 off of 2. And a couple of you might have that PayPal one as well. If you want to mess around with that, by all means. I'm just kind of weird about that because I'm afraid that if I start using those, that all of my coupons will be PayPal rebates, which I do not want. I only want the manufacturer coupon. Okay, so when I say that you have to pass the threshold, meaning if you're just going to buy that powder foundation for $3.49 and try and use a $4 coupon, the coupon will not come off. If you have an item that's $4.49 with a $4 coupon, you'll pay 49 cents. To use that 7 off of 2 properly, you need to surpass $7. Hopefully that's crystal clear. And because these are manufacturer coupons, they're also of a one-time use. On Ibotta, there's a rebate for that Lumi, and it doesn't exclude the clearance. So why not? It's $2 back with a limit of up to one. And here is the Ibotta rebate. Yeah, there it is. So obviously scan it to ensure that the coupon's going to attach, but it would make both of them completely for free. So I would look, and I have no idea why Ibotta still has Rite Aid as one of the stores, because they haven't been in business for almost a year now, I think, which is really odd. Go and get some free and really cheap cosmetics. I think we all need it right now. Why not? Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.